Hi guys, a question from someone on YouTube. Some of us have used the meta packages from Archelix. So at this point in time, when I try to remove something from with the name Archelix or something like that, it's gone. I ran the Archelix Nemesis scripts. Hence, there's nothing here to show you, right? Removing meta packages is maybe easiest way. Let's see if I can find something, because I cleaned everything up. Everything is gone now. But basically, if I could access, let's see, I don't want to mess up my brand new system here. But let's take an old. Let's take the one from April. Voila. Choose a disk file, the one from, that's Arch, Projects, Archelix, April, Arconet, open, yes. And if we boot up, we don't need to install it. If we boot up, we can probably explain already how meta packages work. But basically, it's a small package build where you say, in this package, like Archelix meta log, that's the one I'm gonna use. That's what all those is a pack that if you install that one, it's gonna install package 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all about logging, right? There's another one, Archelix meta fun, which actually is nice, but once you've seen an aquarium in a terminal, you've seen it, or a locomotive, a train in a terminal, and you see it pass by, that's fine. But after a while, right, you won't install it anymore. So this is about meta packages. Look it up, Arch Linux meta package or group package and package. Those are the three I think that will be discussed on the Arch wiki. So booting up, like I said, not gonna install. Let's see what we have. Sudo pacman, ooh, right? So set the keyboard to Belgian and then sudo pacman -SYYU. Done. Or update. And then we stop everything. But we have the databases in. Control C. Sudo pacman -remove. Let's try to remove something. If we have a meta package, metalog, there he is, right? So there's one example about metalogs that could apply for anybody on Arconet. But oops, if we go for this one, we've made a few. So it might be that you say, I'd like to get rid of that, right? Of all those meta packages, but it's not that easy. It's not, well, it's knowledge. That's all it is. That's all it is. Sudo pacman -remove. There's one guy on there, the Archelix. Then you type meta and tab. That's one. If I do this, the only thing I delete is basically the package built from the metalog, but not what's in there. So this is not good. So maybe I need to do something more. Remove now stupid. That's the way I remember it. That's the way I would like you to remember it. Remove now stupid. If you don't want to know, if you want to know what it is, right? Pacman. Man pacman. Go read. Arch wiki if you like in a browser. And what you see, we get this. So in that particular package, 2 files, 2 Lego blocks have been chosen. And well, actually one, Archelix metalog is the group package, the meta package, and GNOME logs is the only one we've put in there. I thought there were more in there, but okay, fine. As an extra example then maybe, sudo pacman -S, so you really see the use of a meta package if you're thinking of making your own distribution. Fun, for example, will install a lot of packages, 40 packages. Like I said, if you have the, was it ls, ll, I don't know what it was it again. No, not ls. Well, it doesn't matter, right? Aquarium, that's the one I probably can find, not even that one. Slurm, toilet, like you see, CX matrix, that's something that's always fun. CX matrix, voila, there you are, matrix. It's fun. Let them do his job here. In the meantime, let's remove the gem. Right? Let's remove the gem. So we installed something. We did a sudo pacman -s -r article x meta fun. Just one line. No, don't want that. Remove now stupid. Right? All of them. 40 again. And still this keeps working. Right? Fantastic. It's clean again. So that's how you remove a meta package. Cheers.